Wow, what an exciting year I've had in 2025, and so much that I've got to be grateful for. I've managed to visit no less than 5 countries this year and managed to capture awesome images. I've managed to improve my photographic skills as well as my editing skills, and acquired new photographic gear that I'm so grateful for. I'm grateful for the support I've received on my YouTube channel as well as my Instagram handle. I'm grateful for managing to travel from countries like the rainforest and the fiordlands on the South Island of New Zealand right across the globe to the dry Kalahari Desert and the Namib Desert in southern Africa. Chobe River was absolutely a dream. And as a thank you, the first person to leave in the YouTube comment section below, print please with your email address and a photo of your choice that you'd like, I will sign a printed copy of one of the images and courier it personally to you. So there's such exciting things lying ahead for 2026 on the cards. I'm definitely visiting the Fiordland forest, going really deep into the forest for those special landscape forest scenes, as well as possibly photographing the Iberian lynx in Spain. It's been such a fantastic year that I just want to share these images with you that are special to me, and I trust that you will enjoy them as much as I did taking them. And as always, I'll see you soon in the next one.